How to change size on Zara app. So let's get started. First, open the Zara app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in the home page, tap onto the search icon. Here you can search for the items you want to purchase. Now scroll down until you see the product you want. Once you have found it, tap to open the product page. Now, under the product image, you will be able to see the add option. Tap add. Here you will see a size selector. Just tap it and choose your preferred size. Zara will show available size like small, medium, large or number size depending on the product. Selecting the right size, hit add to bag. You can now proceed to checkout. And that's how easy it is to change your size in the Zara app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.